So when the song gonna release?
Song never advised yet.
Jesus. Oh, me believe that's why I never want to sing a song.
Me not play the part where say me no ordinary, me in a different category. Y'all feel watch me like a me and them inquiry. Pantry daddy lily, me a feel.
Pussy clad.
I'm gonna chat to the girl. It's a focus here, it's a money here.
Talk now.
Different category.
True.
Not because we have the same bag don't mean we are the same.
Talk no.
You're gonna ask you to buy your bag and me going to the real place to buy my bag. You have your little fake bag and come stand upside of me and the bag look the same. It does not mean we are the same.
Spice, stop. Not because I don't want it over here. Stop it. Stop it. DeMarco, talk to her, please.
I declare
Pussy clad. Jesus, peace.
Girl, you have on your wig and me have on my wig. It does not mean we are the same. You spend your money and do your body and me do my body and our body look good. It still does not mean we are the same.
Same. No go so.
We are not the same.
No go so.
You have to listen to the song properly. We got the same things. We are not the same things.
So when the song gonna release?
Song never advised yet.
Jesus. Oh, me believe that's why I never want to sing a song.
Me not play the part where say me no ordinary, me in a different category. Y'all feel watch me like a me and them inquiry. Pantry daddy lily, me a feel.
Pussy clad.
Why?
I know it's gonna be a hit because Marco is there. Marco does, you know.
But I only my fans them can. Cause right now when me on a different level. Me not in a run up and down and a fuss and a cuss. That's why I want to get them for focus. This is a focus year.
Me tell them that for a couple of days now. Focus.
You see COVID come here and them say 1 year to stay. It now left for 3 years now, yeah.
Me tell them that,
people
mama.
Get out the road, life short. Me
mama.
and you now go make me take up my life. I go, me and you now. We're not doing that. We are not the same.
Mama, me tired for tell them.
My brain, they're on a different planet.
Mama, me tired for tell them. Mama, me tired for tell them.
Money me I deal with.
See there?
Focus on money me I deal with.
Everything what you say right now from the ear start me a beat and I try to tell them years. And some of them like still just act fucking dumb. Me tell them say Spice.
So what you gonna tell me say you know like a girl you stay at your yard all day and depend your Instagram, depend your Insta page or watch VR page and
fake page. Fake page. Some of them are waste too much.
The time they could have used and make some money. When me come on pan the live me here, you tell them to go start a little business and do something and sell something and them still have a problem with it. Some of them want hide and sell pussy and them come go on like so them not sell it.
Pussy
Hey, laugh up. Hold up on them out, let them know. You've been one.
We are not the same. We have the same things, but we are not the same.
Spice, me tell them say from the ear start, me tell them say Marco, me tell them say energy is expensive. Me not have the time for wasting on.
Yeah, man.
Energy is expensive. Me not have the time for wasting on.
100.
Simple like that. Blood clot.
A few days ago,
blood clot.
A few days ago, we were going into a new year. The year done. A couple days from now, you're going to hear we start say the year done again. So, who no can stay there waste full of time to worry about people and a plan. Me no depend that with no money me I deal with. Step on a different level, me a different level. Same.
Damn. No waste energy. Jano. I never really prepare for all of this still. But when it come to Grammy Nami, it's like, you know, Saturday.
Amasura.
People, New York people, Tri-State people, get ready. Spice live in concert and Jada Kingdom this coming Saturday. Queens, Amazura. I remember my birthday party at the Friday, so Spice said tall boots are there, and then she got take off her tall boots, flat-footed. Amazura.
A girl comment a while ago, she said, my clothes not sell. My website is www.gracinoir.com. Tell her to go over there and see if she can find our size.
Boom.
It's just stay on the blood clot website.
Oh boy.
Go over there, attempt like you try for order. Just go over www.gracinoir.com and attempt to put in your size. It's not available, it's sold out.
Pussy clot. Pre-order. Mama go pre-order.
Later on your thing.
It's crazy. You think I saw this though?
Yeah, Mama go pre-order like one album a drop.
Triton, big up yourself. This is a juggling, you know. Conscience, big up yourself. This is a juggling.
Yeah.
Category, young Nafia watch me like a me and them inquiry. But with a lily, all of them just send me. Them a secondary, that to me them temporary. Different category, in a different
category. All right, that's right there. So Saturday night, Amazura, right? That's right.
Yeah.
Jada Kingdom, big up yourself. Amazura nightclub. Big up the promoter SDMC. Just come
right.
to Queen and check out Jada Kingdom. Two big batia bunks on the stage, and that's right there. Show sold out. The girl them know we are not heels. They know straight whining. We are celebrate the new year and focus on the bag, and that's right there.
Pussy
enjoyment we are dealing with. Happy life.
Right.
Before I go, you see me?
Yeah.
Me not have no time to fly up in a God face. Me just want to say this and make it be very clear.
Right.
Me nah kill up myself with negative energy. Because you see, if me kill up myself with negativity and negative energy, me
right.
fly up in a God face.
Right.
Me want to explain to you before me go. Because me man all the while me come talk.
Yeah, man, yeah, we're ready now. We're here.
Me not have time to fly up in a God face.
Mm-hmm.
Once upon a time, I had $0 in my bank account. Today, I can say I'm rich.
Bumbo.
Once upon a time, me, Gracie, had one pair of shoes. My closet is messy right now. I don't have any space. I don't know where to put them.
Pussy clot.
Clothes that when me have to bag up every day and I take out of my closet for cargo give at the place where I place them out of Goodwill.
Brother, where the sound effects there, brother?
Pussy clot. What Guana spice that now?
No, I want the people them understand. See how far me I come from. Hungry days. One pair of shoes.
Right.
Not at all. Look
right.
at account and $0 there. They can't feed me pity them. You see when I wake up in the morning today, like now in my life,
yeah.
My man go downstairs and make me breakfast.
Pussy club.
My bed is expensive. We can't roll over.
Pussy club. And now drop.
My kids are happy. They're comfortable. When I go to the doctor and I do my checkup, no sickness.
Whoa, thank God.
I am healthy. For Christmas the other day, I gave my mother almost $2 million.
Pussy club.
Why you think me go come with a negative energy and a stress and it's not going to happen. I am comfortable in life. I am grateful to God, and that is where it's gonna stay. No negative energy can come my way. In a different category, I'm gonna claim my blessings.
True, the water
blessings me I claim. You know, no distraction. Me not depend on distraction. When I talk about my nice mouth.
Yeah, your teeth and white too.
Real.
Yeah.
No white alone. Real. say me beat him too. True say you think them white and me say real. Him say you clock me.
I want to go on then.
Them walk with your teeth pretty. True me say me teeth them real.
So what?
You know your teeth pretty. Your teeth pretty.
But don't talk about the real part. What? Some of them are your one? Some of them are your one?
I'm my teeth.
It's pretty.
They
walk with your Yeah.
Jeez. Pussycat.
Yeah, that's the queen, yeah, man. I just, yo.
But I'm too comfortable. I'm too happy. I'm too successful. I'm blessed. My children are happy. Everything is perfectly fine.
Oma, wait, quite a few of them something you just saying in the last half. I say it myself. All the while.
The war is not a problem. So when me not go create none, like it's just just me flying up in God's face to say, God, you have given me so much. I am healthy. I'm alive. But you know, apart from all that you have given me, let me just still be ungrateful. It's not gonna fucking happen.
No. Not gonna happen.
I'm not gonna keep up over here. So I'm gonna walk good here.